Hello viewers, today we are going to learn about Battle of Buxar 1764. Let us take an overview of this video first. Let us see what are we going to learn in this video. We are going to learn when, where, what, why and the impact of Battle of Buxar. Let me tell you one thing before we proceed further. Whenever we study any event in history, we shall not study it in isolation. It has certain backward linkages and forward linkages that helps us to understand the event in totality. So is with the Battle of Buxar 1764. To understand Battle of Buxar 1764 better, we shall know Battle of Plassey 1757 that I have already covered in my last video, and link regarding it is also given below. Going back to Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey was concluded with Mir Jafar becoming Nawab of Bengal and company got zamindari rights of 24 Pargana. Learn to see the event between the lines. Now, what do we learn from this? That gaining zamindari rights means what? What does it mean to company? It means that entry of East India Company in power politics. Company had earlier only one objective, that is profit. With its entry in the politics in Bengal, it has tasted the power and influence it can make. This heightened the aspiration they thought. What if we get power with money? Mir Jafar somewhat was coming in their way to fulfill this objective. Hence Mir Jafar is forced to get down from the post of Nawab and he is replaced by Mir Kazim. Mir Kazim compensate company for giving the support by paying handsomely and giving zamindari zamindari rights of 3 more regions. From East India Company's point of view, this was enough, but only for a moment. They wanted more. We also see that the Mir Kazim was also a good administration and also had an aspiration to control entire Bengal single-handedly. Hence, we see Mir Kazim starts taking step to secure its position. He shifts its capital from Mungia to Murshidabad. He started training its troops in European style. He also make efforts to control corruption, especially in Treasury Department, because he knew tactics of East India Company. East India Company had strong network in the administration due to its practice of bribing the officials. We have already learned how East India Company used the network to defeat Nawab of Bengal in Battle of Plassey. East India Company basically wanted Mir Kazim to be puppet. His administrative decision was not making East India Company comfortable. Finally, battle fought between company on one side, led by Major Mundro and Triple Alliance of Suja ud Dawla, Nawab of Awadh, Mir Kazim, Nawab of Bengal, and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II on other side on 22nd October 1764. Before we learn about Treaty of Allahabad, please open your atlas and try to locate Buxar and Allahabad in your atlas for your better understanding. Treaty of Allahabad. British were entitled to collect tax directly from Bengal in lieu of rupees 26 lakh tribute to be paid annually to the Mughal. The district of Kora and Allahabad were written to the Mughal emperor. The Nawab of Awadh had to pay rupees 53 lakhs in war indemnity and was sent back to Awadh with a promise to provide money to operate the court and subsidiary army. Dual system of government, that means government will be managed by two powers, Company and Nawab of Bengal, and Company had the power to collect revenue. Acquisition of Diwani rights by the Company is an important event in the history of India. This legally acknowledged the British control over Bengal and Bihar and Odisha. Only Faujdari and administrative authority was left to the Nawab. How we should see this event in the modern Indian history? This was a very important event because In this battle, not just the Nawab of Bengal was defeated, but also the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam too. This means that East India Company has emerged as one of the major power in India. With this, the East India Company going to be richer than before and would need no money from England to buy merchandise. The money earned was sent to England and not spent on Bengal. This may start drain of wealth from India. Company had funds to look after its own army now. And since Bengal was one of the then richest state, it is but obvious that the revenue contribution will also be very high. Since its revenue collection was looked after by the company, it definitely made company one of the major power. What next? That is dual government of Bengal 1765 and 1772. When two power try to control the region, then there will be definitely friction. What happened during dual government that led to further consolidation of British power in Bengal? We will see in detail in my next video. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Let there be Prasanna Prayas, joyful endeavor towards your goal.